Hi, it's Paul with OurChurch.com. Thanks for joining me for this website design frequently asked questions video. In this video, I'm going to address the question, what is the best website platform? Or what is the best platform for my website? To kick this off, I'm going to talk about three different categories of platforms and the pros and cons to each of them. So the first category of platform is website software. This is software that the developer has installed in their desktop computer, and then they build the theme, the functionality, and the content all within this software. And then the website gets exported to a web hosting account, and that's where it exists on the web. The second category of platform is a content management system, or CMS. An example of this is WordPress, and the content management system gets installed in the web hosting account. Then the theme and the plugins get installed there as well, and all of the updating is done online in the content management system. The third category of platform is a website builder, and this is where everything exists within the ecosystem of the web builder. So some examples of this are Squarespace and Wix, where you go to their websites, you create an account, you start building your website, you choose the theme from among the themes they give you, you choose the functionality that they have available, and everything is done from their platform. Now the pros and cons to each of these, well, with the software approach, this is really kind of an obsolete approach now. The downside of using the software is that only the developer has the software installed on their computer, and only the developer has your website saved in their software. And so only that one person can update the website, and it doesn't give you a lot of flexibility with that. With the content management approach, this is installed in the web hosting account. And so first it gives you portability, because if you ever want to move your website, you can move it to a different web hosting provider. It also is usually an affordable approach, because website content management systems, there are several open source or free content management systems that you can use. It also tends to have a lot of options in terms of themes and functionality for it. So those are some of the pros of the content management system approach. Plus, with a content management system, anybody who has the password can log in and make updates to your website from anywhere in the world. So it gives you a lot of flexibility to update your website with different people in different places. With the website builder approach, this is usually very easy to use. It's very easy to get started, to build your website, to update your website. But once you build your website, you are locked into that platform. If they change their functionality or they raise their prices, your only option is to stick with it or to build a completely new website with a different website builder or on a different platform. So those are the pros and cons to the different types of platforms that you have available to you. We build all of our websites with WordPress here at OurChurch.com, so we take that content management approach to things. The second thing to take into account is functionality. Does the platform that you want to use have the functionality that you want in your website? So to determine this, you've got to start by understanding the purpose of your website, the functionality you want built into your website, and then list that out. So do you want a blog in your website? Do you want a shopping cart in your website? Do you want videos? Do you want to be able to have people register for classes or other events going on with your organization? Figure out the functionality that you want, and then see if the platforms that you're considering have that functionality. The next thing you want to take into account is the ease of use. So with the software approach that we talked about before, software is usually pretty complex to use, and so if you don't have experience building websites with that particular software, you're going to have a learning curve with that. With a content management system, there's some difficulty in the initial build of the website, But if you have a developer build the website in the content management system with you, the updates to that website through the content management system are usually fairly easy for just about anybody to do. And of course, with a website builder, they're known for their ease of use as well. The fourth thing to take into account with the platform is the SEO friendliness of the platform. Now, we've found here at OurChurch.com that many of the web builders don't give you the flexibility to optimize the website for search like you might want. So we've found this with Shopify and Squarespace and Wix that you can't edit everything for search engines. But with content management systems, they usually have great SEO friendliness built right into them. Last but not least is the support. What support is offered for that platform, and how is that support provided? So with website builders, there's usually pretty good support, though you may have a difficult time getting phone support with them. For a content management system, this is kind of a mix. So if you have a developer build the site for you, they're usually the ones providing the support for the content management system, for editing the site. So you need to check on what kind of support they provide. And then with the website development software, you'll have to check with the developers of that software for their support. So again, like I mentioned earlier, we here at OurChurch.com, we build all of our custom sites with WordPress, the content management system approach. So that gives us a lot of themes and plugins available to provide almost any kind of functionality that you might want. You have the portability of being able to move it to a different web host if you so choose. And so those are some of the good things that come with that content management system approach. If you have any other questions about platforms, website design, go ahead and put them in the comments, or you can email us at support@OurChurch.com. And if you're considering having a website built for your nonprofit or your business, please contact us at support@OurChurch.com. We'd love to talk with you more about that. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.